Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my beef quesadilla. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, Kali J's Kitchen. The link for my Facebook page will be in the description box. You can also find all of my recipes in the description box. Once again guys, subscribe to my channel, tell your friends about Kali J's Kitchen, tell your family members to come over and subscribe to my channel. So here I have my onion. I also have sweet pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper and garlic. I also have my cheese, and this is mild cheddar and mozzarella cheese. I also have my cooked beef, and I have my tortilla wrap. So first what I'm gonna do, I am just gonna go ahead and slice up my onion. Now guys, please note that I cook my beef off camera, and the type of beef I use is the stir-fry beef, the one that is already cut up in strips. So what I'm doing now, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up my onion. Once again guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. I try to make my recipes as easy and simple for you guys. And again, you can also send me a DM or just send me a regular message of a dish that you want to see me prepare for you on my YouTube channel. And also guys, you can follow my business page on Instagram, Accessories by Leans, and you can also follow my personal page on Instagram. It's Kalibu_Aisha. I'll put all the link for my pages that you can find me in the description box. And once again guys, I just want to thank you for your support. Thank you for, recommending my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the support. I really appreciate it. And I can't wait to put up more videos for you guys. So now I'm just slicing up the bell peppers. And guys, I'm just going to saute the seasoning off camera for roughly 3 minutes, because you don't want them to be too soft. You don't want them to have the crunch. So I'm just slicing up my garlic. And guys, what I want you to always remember that each person cook different. So if you check out somebody else's channel and you see they cook something different from me, don't worry about that. Sometimes some people might add different things, to their dish, while I don't use it. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the seasoning back to the small bowl. Alright, so now that I'm finished with the seasoning, it's time to go ahead and start with my beef. Now guys, because the beef is in strips, you want to ensure that you slice up your beef in small sizes, because you don't want to add your beef like that. You want to ensure that it's very small and, you know, it's easy for you to digest. So as you can see, I sliced them up in small pieces. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and take up one of my tortilla wrap, and I'm just gonna add some cheese on half of the tortilla wrap. And don't worry guys, you might see that I did not sauteed the seasoning as yet, the onion, the Scotch bonnet pepper, the garlic, and the bell peppers. I'm gonna do that, just give me a minute. So what I did, I went ahead and add some of the beef, and I'm just gonna add the onion, the Scotch bonnet pepper, the garlic, and the bell peppers, and I'm gonna add some more cheese on top. Then I'm just going to fold this in half, and I'm just going to put it to the side. Now guys, what you could have done, you could have gone ahead and add the cheese on the entire tortilla wrap, and also add the beef on the entire tortilla wrap also, and you could go ahead and also add the onion, the Scotch bonnet pepper, the bell peppers, and the garlic on the entire wrap. Then what you would have done, you could have just add an extra tortilla wrap on top. But in this case, I don't want to do that, because I think it's a little bit harder to handle. And also guys, for the quesadilla, some persons might put it in the oven, as well as some persons might put it on a grill. I think if you add all of the cheese, the beef, and the onion, the Scotch bonnet pepper, and the garlic together and put it on the grill, that would be much easier for you to handle. But because I'm going to use it in a pot, I'm just folding it in half. So I'm just doing the others, and you want to give it a nice little press, because you want to ensure that everything is distributed. All of the beef is distributed, the cheese, and also the seasoning. And guys, if you have shrimp, you could go ahead and use your shrimp to make your quesadilla. You could also use chicken, and you could also use ground beef. Once again guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Kali J's Kitchen. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. Have them subscribe to my channel and watch all of my videos, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So as you can see, I gave this quesadilla a nice little press. So this is the last one that I'm going to do. And then I'm going to show you what I do after. Alright guys, so this is what my quesadillas look like. So what I'm gonna do now, I am just gonna go ahead and add some melted butter on top of each quesadilla, because the reason why I'm gonna add the butter, because I wanted to get that little nice golden look. Well, this is basically margarine that I'm adding. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on and also guys, some people might add the cooking spray, you know, but I'm adding the margarine because I want that nice little golden look. So guys, this is my pot that I'm gonna add my quesadilla to. Please note that I did not add any oil or anything to this pot, but what I'm gonna do, the side that I add the margarine to, I'm just gonna turn it down. And now that the other side I did not, please note guys that the other side I did not add any margarine to. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just, while the other side is being cooked, I am just gonna go ahead and add the margarine to this side. And please note guys that within 3 minutes this quesadilla is ready. And guys, as you know that mozzarella cheese is very easy to melt. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spin the quesadilla on the other side and allow the other side to brown as well. I don't know if you guys can see the little brown spots starts to come on my quesadilla. Look at that guys. Oh, so delicious. So I'm just gonna allow the other side to brown. So I'm just gonna flip this one over on the other side because I want it to get a little bit more color. And then I'm gonna remove them. So guys, as you can see, the color coming along quite well. So I'm just going to remove them and I'm going to add the other quesadillas. And guys, it's the same procedure. The side that I added the margarine on, I'm going to turn it down and I'm just going to add margarine on the top. Alright guys, now that I'm finished with all of my quesadillas, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice them up. Once I'm finished slicing, I'm gonna show you the final product of my beef quesadilla. So I'm just showing you the inside. Then I'm going to show you the final product. So guys, this is the final product of my beef quesadilla. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callie J's Kitchen. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Callie J's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video, and guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys again for watching, and see you next time.